it's your girl on a mission. Me and my wife is out getting our steps at the beach. We went to the park. We thought they were having an event, but they must already had it yesterday. But they do have one Tuesday that we probably will be attending. So yeah, we're doing our walks and we're enjoying life and enjoying each other company. And I see a lot of families out here. I'm sure everybody's trying to get all the fun in the sun before school starts up, because I know school starts next week for my kids on Tuesday. So yes, and I know they ain't gonna be ready to get up. It's gonna be early, but baby, it's time to get up and go back to school and get that education. But other than that, I hope y'all enjoy my view, and we're at Sunnyside Beach. So yeah, come along with us. Back up, baby. We already know them kids ain't gonna want to get up. So my kids start school Tuesday, and I know they're not ready. So I know a lot of these kids ain't ready neither. So yeah. Okay, baby. So we just going across these train tracks, because you have to go across the train tracks just to get over there. And yeah. And everybody just having fun and enjoying herself. Jamming. Little beach area where you can play and enjoy your family. Where we going? Which side, baby?
You want to go down or?
You want to go this way? It's not too packed.
Yeah, that's fine, babe.
Okay. It's dope. Well, we can walk down that way.
You want to walk that way?
Yeah. So we're still walking, and this is like the bathroom area over here. If you have to use the restroom. And yeah. Oh my gosh, y'all, this barbecue smells so good. I haven't had barbecue since Texas. And I've been telling baby that I want some barbecue. And I've been wanting for the longest. Anyway, so this is the women's restroom. And on the other side is the men's restroom. So yeah. Oh.
Is that alright?
It's all good. They got something going on over here.
Sugar Shack.
Sugar Shack.
Thank you, baby.
Go home, baby. So yeah. And here go these big old trees I've been mentioning about. All these big old trees. I'll be back. This is so pretty. You want to go down this way?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, that's not too bad.
You want me to go first?
You can.
I can help you down?
Yeah, that's fine. My wife is going to help me down.
Go down first.
I'm scared. You need my hand? Or you got it?
Should we go that way?
I can.
Okay. Can you step right there?
Yeah. I probably could step over there too. My wife don't want me to fall.
Nope. That was sick.
All right, we made it down. Thanks to my wife. She's my lifesaver. She saved my life. Oof. So yeah. So everybody's enjoying themselves, like I said, at the beach. And we're just walking over these just to get over here. Yeah. It's other ways, but it is so packed, and then people are enjoying their family. I don't want to interrupt, so yeah. But we're here. And just look how beautiful this is. This is amazing. There's islands on the other side. There's actually mountains that you cannot see from a distance, but there's definitely mountains back there. It looks faded. And this is like mine's and my family spot. We love coming here all the time. So yeah. There's people in the water way over there. Let me see if I can. You can't really tell. But yeah. And then we got houses over there, which is beautiful. There's actually houses that you can't see right now because the trees are covering it up. But yeah, it's a beautiful area. Look at all these rocks. I don't remember all these rocks on this side. And if you look over there, there's houses all over there. This is a beautiful area.
This tide is low.
That's what I was saying. I was like, are these rocks normal?
This tide is really low.
Yeah, because it's normally a little higher than this, right?
Yeah, it's all the way up here.
Yeah. I was thinking the same thing. I was like, I'm not used to all these big old rocks. Oops.
Be careful, baby.
I will, baby. Like, look at all these rocks.
Yeah, the tide is really big.
Wow. We're just walking along on these big old freaking rocks. They're huge. Oh gosh, I don't want to fall, but I'm making it through. So yeah, everybody, we're just enjoying this beautiful Sunday before life starts again tomorrow. Yeah, I know what that means. Work, school, whatever people have going on. Yes. Stinks. And yeah, so we'll be back. Say hi to Mr. Krabby. He's trying to run for cover. Where did he go? Oh, there's more. A whole lot of them, baby. Oh, man. Look at that. How cool. They're trying to hide. It was like, no, leave us alone. We just want to be left alone. We just want to see y'all. We ain't going to do anything. You see the babies? They're moving. They're like, leave us alone. Where's my mommy? These humans won't leave us alone. Wow. This is like our favorite spot. We like to see our kids, especially our son. He likes to climb all the way on top of this. Well, you know, scaring me. But it did?
It wasn't up here.
Oh.
It was down here last time, remember?
Oh yeah, it did.
It was laid the other way.
Somebody must have moved it. Oh, the tide probably, because that thing is heavy.
Yeah.
But anyway, my kids love to climb on this here. This is an old tree. Ain't this something? Like when I said old. Wow. People just got their initials, hearts, and all that good stuff that they like to leave on a tree. But yeah, everybody enjoyed it. They get across there pretty fast.
Mm-hmm. They do, buddy.
Come on, baby. All right, and yeah, we'll take y'all in with us if they allowed us to record.
I'm getting impatient with, they have
This
so many other
is
things on their
so
plate.
cool.
And I don't know anything about it.
Wow.
And it's something I want done before I leave, or I know it's not gonna get done.
Yeah,
Look at the tools.
it would depend on
Wow.
yeah, it would depend on like what you want.
I'm walking in front of you. Look at
'cause-
this. This is cool.
The heat. Let's see.
Oh wow. Hello. It's okay we record?
Sure.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Well, in my mind's eye, I have maybe 2 of those fans in this
Wow.
area.
Yeah, I think that would look cool.
And if there was some way that there would be a heating
Oh
element.
man, if you could retrofit something like this, that would be cool.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
It looks
yeah.
like
I've
they-
actually seen one of those down at Port Columbia. We stayed in the
Oh, really?
Stewart's home.
Huh?
It was a beautiful
Oh wow. I'm gonna get there.
stove in the living room.
Wow.
You can rent them.
Yeah, I mean, there's these things, you know, the ones that are like.
This is
that
like
you
my
see,
type of stuff I love to
warehouses and
see.
stuff, but they're
No,
kinda,
no.
yeah, that's cool, man.
Oh, that is beautiful. But we'd have to go with the wood stove because that was authentic.
Yeah, I think
Look
a
at the
wood stove.
phone. Oh man.
But we're not going there, so,
Yeah.
yeah.
Well, ceiling fan you could definitely do, because you already got power here. So that's, I mean, that's a pretty simple.
Right.
I mean, if I did it, I would run some conduit. Like, actually, you might be able to pull the power out of that box, but
This
I
is
can bend
nice.
conduit, so I could send conduit anywhere in here that it
Look
needed
at
to
this
go.
bike.
Um,
Wow. This is
but,
cool.
yeah, there's different options.
Oops.
Well, nice to meet you.
Yeah. And
But
if you
yeah.
come up with something, we're open on the weekends. You can just leave a message for me here.
Okay.
Also,
Are you here every weekend?
I am not, no,
Okay.
because we're supposed to have somebody every day.
Oh, I gotcha.
Every weekend day, because it's
Yeah.
only Saturday and Sunday that we're open. But, the docent that was supposed to be here today, he's got, his wife is really ill.
Oh, that's a bummer.
So
Yeah.
I'm filling in.
That's fair. What was your name?
My name is Leslie.
1854.
Leslie. Louis.
Wow.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, all right.
This is Josephine. Say bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Josie.
This is so cool. Wow. This is so cool.